Hello everyone. Here we are going to see about the Unit 3 continuation. So in this presentation, we are going to see about the contrast. So in contrast, we have already learned about the 4 parts. So that is, first thing will be the experimental control. Second is human touch. Third will be the informed consent. And the fourth will be the knowledge gained. So let me see individually one by one in this presentation. So the first thing will be the contrast, the experimental control. So in most of the experiments, the members of studies are selected into two groups, that is namely group A as well as group B. So group A are given as a special treatment and group B is not given a special treatment. So this will be called as the controlled group. So they are placed in the same environment, but other group A is on the different environment. So likewise, it should be splitted up and make as a treated. So this process is called as the experimental control. So this practice is most adapted in the field of medicine only. So in engineering, it should be does not happens because the projects will be confined to the laboratory experiments. It is because if the clients or consumers who can choose the products means they have to exercise the control of the particular people. So it is not possible to make random selections of participants. So from the various groups, it should be selected and that will be controlled by the particular contrast. So in engineering, through random sampling, the survey is made and it should be particularly maintained in experimentation levels. Second thing will be the human touch. So in engineering experiments, the human touch is very, very important in our daily life. So the human souls should need their views, expectations, creative ideas in case of social experimentation. So this point of view is not agreed by many of the engineers. So we have to solve ourselves and we have to make experimentation with the engineering as well as the social experimentations. So this makes the quality of the engineers and managers have fully realized with the human aspects. So this human aspects will be make the quality of all the engineers who have been experiment their work or experimental in their projects. This will finally get over into the particular similarity level and it should be contrast in a different groups as well as in the different planner. So next third thing will be the informed consent. So most of the engineering experimentation is viewed as a societal experimentation. So since the subjects and the beneficiary of human beings will be in the respects of similar medical experimentation. So in case of medical practices, the moral as well as the legal rights have been recognized while on planning for experimentation. It should be informed in the consent with a practiced manner in a medical experimentation. So such practice should be completed in the laboratory experiments with the informed consent. So there will be the two basic elements. One should be in the particular level and another should be in the experimental level. So both societal as well as the experimental should be informed in the two basic elements. Let me see the one by one. So the first thing will be the knowledge. So through the knowledge, the subject will be gained from the relevant information and it will make the decision to participate in a particular jobs. So this makes the one of the informed consent to be very useful in the jobs. So second thing will be the volunteerness. So in every forces or in every fields you have a volunteerness. So that means you have to take a part without any forces or fraud or deceptions. So we have to respect for the rights of minorities, and we have the compensation for harmful effects, and that should be assumed here. So for a valid consent, the following conditions will be fulfilled. So that is, a consent must be voluntary. All the relevant information shall be provided in a clear, understandable forms. Consenter shall be capable of processing the information, and it should be make rational decisions. So the subjects will be consent, that it should be offered the proximity level of the particular groups, and it should represent their subjects in a interest of groupism as well as in the individual participation. Next, last one will be the knowledge gained. So we cannot make new knowledge that should be developed in the engineering experiments. So we have a case of scientific experiments in the laboratory. So in the past, when what we have learned, that should be experiment in the laboratory. So engineering experiments at the most will be help us to verify the adequacy of the design. It should also check the stability of the design parameters, and it also prepare for the unexpected outcomes. So in the environmental fields, we have actually perfected in the knowledge gain. So these models have been tested in the laboratory to the pilot plant and tested in the fields. So there are so many different performances that should be come into the overall laboratory levels, and it should be having the other outcomes. So this should be maintained in the knowledge gained in a previous manner. Thank you.